Estar embarazada. Si están tan sensibles de esa manera que no te puedes ni tocar, estás embarazada. Yo me acuerdo, güey, yo me acuerdo cuando yo salí embarazada, te lo juro. No, ni el agua me podía tocar mis pechos porque era del embarazo, de que salí embarazada. No manches. Vas a estar embarazada. ¡Felicidades! Lo guardo, lo voy a guardar en esta botella. Y'all are probably like, squeeze the fucking sponge. Sorry. ¿Y qué vas a hacer si estás embarazada? Oh my God. ¡Qué emoción! ¿Y estás feliz? Y cuando me pongo el brasier me duelen y me duele harto cuando me lo quito. Güey, no, tienes que ir a chequear. Guys, I think she's pregnant. Yo aquí bien dramática. Oh my God, por favor, avísame si estás embarazada. Avísame. Felicidades. ¿Y qué quieres? O sea, si sales embarazada, ¿quieres una niña o un niño? Yo tengo 3 niñas. Nunca agarré el niño, pero ahí tengo mi lego tóxico. Oh my God, ¿qué vas a hacer entonces? No, pues, you know what? If he wants to be toxic, si quiere ser tóxico, hay que pagar el child support, ¿verdad? Para eso hay el child support. Mándalo a la pinche corte y que pague. Porque de esto no se va a salvar. Quiero niña, tengo 4 niños. No, güey, ¿qué? ¿Ya tienes hijos? ¿Podemos agregar? Sí. Ya tienes 4 hijos. My mom had 8 kids. So yeah, I do have 5 sisters. Well, we are 5 girls, and then she had 3 boys. And all my sisters are married. We're all married, all 5 of us, okay? All 5 of us girls are married. We all have kids. And then my brothers are the opposite. That's so cool. What the fuck? Oh my goodness. I tied my tubes. When I had Nicole, I actually ended up tying my tubes. Because I was like, hold on. Because if I have another one, it's probably going to be a girl and I'm not going to get a boy. So let me stop there. Me voy a esperar este mes a ver si me baja. Girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, I really want to know if you're pregnant though. So please let me know. Por favor, avísame si estás embarazada porque sí quiero saber. ¿Y vas a tener un baby shower? Wow, felicidades. This is such a good rinse. Girls. And then you dress them up the same. Oh my god, how cute. I wish I had twin girls. That is so cute. But the chance for me to have a twin girl, girl, that is crazy. I have really, really light stretch marks. You can't even see them. No fabric softener because I won't be able to clean with it. Remember? If I add any fabric softener, no, I can't even use it for laundry because it has Comet. Ooh, that is strong. Oh, I want to save, but the fucking suds, bro. Go down. Okay, now I can save. Let's grab it from the bottom. Ooh, that took a... Hold on, I can't read comments because I'm saving this. 1 second. And then I totally forgot to ask my daughter for her iPad. Get the epoxy. It'll get... No, my epoxy is covered in... Who cares? Let me just add the epoxy. Whoop. This, oh my god, this just made more suds. Okay, so back to what we were talking about. Is she saved the pool? Yes, I saved the pool. Salt to kill the bubbles. Girl, why you keep talking? She keeps talking about salt. That did not work. It just made more. Hold on, let me add more. Oh, I think it's because I added water. Oops. Hey, this shit smells so good. This is not even full. It's getting heavy. It's actually getting heavy. Hold on. I'm just gonna keep doing this. Who are you guys gonna go watch? Who's live right now? I know people are live. But who's live? That way you guys can just go to them and watch. Okay, SJ. So I'll be getting off. And I know some other people are live. Thank you guys for being here and watching. Thank you, thank you. Okay, that's it. Yep, it's getting heavy. If I keep. Okay, thanks. I've been here since you started. Yay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really want to add this to the pool, but it's gonna overflow because it has a lot of suds. Thank you guys for being here. Okay. I love this overload. It was so good. And it smells so good. Wait, what? Why would I? The first sink stopper came off. I don't know why. Good thing I have two on it, but. Okay, last scoop and that's it. Hi, Safi. It was amazing. It really was. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.